This video will show you how to import an Excel spreadsheet that contains room or window names and their associated dimensions. We will then use the new simple copy functionality to copy a product to all of those imported locations. So let's get started, and I will call up a customer. We create a new quote. And you've had this functionality here for a while, import locations and measurements. You may not have used it, but particularly useful for commercial work. This one here will create an empty Excel template for you that will let you know what sort of information is required. I've already baked one earlier, and it's in here. And that's now importing all of those window names that we set up in that Excel spreadsheet. And it's imported the dimensions associated with each one. So now what we're going to do is simply associate a roller blind will do. It can be any product. We'll go to the quote. We will then select the treatment style as you normally would. I'm going to select the inside measurement for that. Select a dimension for the drop. Okay, so that's now done our template, if you like, the one that we're going to base all the rest on. And we now come into the simple copy. This all looks pretty much as it was in the past. There's a couple of changes and you'll see shortly. And the most important change is that we can now hold the control key down and we can start clicking, selecting multiple locations to copy it to, or I can say none and get rid of them, or I can click all and select them all. I then tell the system what measurement I'm going to use when I copy to all of those other locations. So in this case I'm going to use the inside measurement, and now you'll see there's a change down here. It says copy to selection. The copy single is the button that you had there previously. So now I'm going to copy to selection, and it will run through copying that default product through to all of the other locations in the system that we've just imported. So it makes it very easy for you to copy product around. It was simple before, it's even easier now because you can multi-select. The copy's complete. We come back here and we can now see that we have that same product copied to all of the other locations. I hope that proves helpful for you.